This isn't marble and it isn't glass. Every red spark you see was placed by hand, stone by stone, then sealed in crystal. Clear resin flows, levels, polished until light bends. Nothing fake, nothing rushed. This isn't a floor. It's rare material under your feet. Would you walk on this? Comment yes or no, gemstone backhand index pointing down. This is mind-blowing. Seriously, you're looking at a floor that turns a room into a living garden. Watch till the end, because most people miss the craziest part. Real grass, real river stones, sealed under crystal clear liquid. At night, it looks like a glowing forest inside the house. I bet you won't subscribe before this video ends. Comment walk if you step on a barefoot, or nope if you wouldn't. This is unreal. Look at this out-of-the-world flooring technique. What you're seeing isn't a filter or a shortcut. This is real epoxy craftsmanship, built layer by layer with absolute precision. A solid base, natural river stones placed by hand, crystal clear resin flowing into every gap, then polished until the floor turns glass smooth and mirror bright. Every reflection you see is real. Every detail is permanent. This isn't just flooring. It's functional art designed to last for years. If this blew your mind, drop a comment and tell us what you build this in. And for more next-level flooring transformations, subscribe to Craft Surfaces. This is amazing. Look at this mind-blowing transformation. What started as a plain room became something unreal. First, we marked our identity right on the floor, Craft Surfaces. Then the magic began. Layer by layer, the floor was covered, sealed, and transformed with crystal clear epoxy. Every second happened fast, but every detail mattered, from raw materials to a flawless, glossy masterpiece. This isn't just flooring. This is art under your feet. Now tell me, would you live in a room like this? Comment yes or no, and subscribe to Craft Surfaces for more insane transformations. This is unreal. You are looking at an out-of-the-world flooring technique. At first, it looks completely wrong. Bags of leaves dumped all over the floor. But this isn't decoration. It's part of the process. Once the surface is revealed, the real craftsmanship begins. This is precision epoxy flooring, layered, leveled, and engineered to last. Every reflection you see is a result of skill, timing, and control. Would you install this in your home? Comment yes or no. Subscribe to Craft Surfaces and see how real flooring craftsmanship is done. This is mind-blowing. Look at this. At first, it's just a floor, but watch closely. With slices, river stones, liquid epoxy. Every second, it transforms into something your eyes don't expect. Smooth, glossy, unreal. Some people say this looks like art. Others say it's too perfect to be real. Now be honest. Would you want this floor in your home? Comment yes or no below, backhand index pointing down. If this surprised you even a little, hit like and follow Craft Surfaces for more unbelievable transformations. This is insane. Watch how this floor transforms from nothing. First, the heating system goes in perfectly aligned, insanely fast. Cables, insulation, everything locked in place. Then the surface gets built layer by layer. Now comes the crazy part, epoxy pouring over everything. Look how clean and smooth this turns out. Would you install this in your home? Comment below and subscribe for more insane builds. This is mind-blowing. Look at this breathtaking transformation. What started as plain river stones turned into a crystal-clear, glass-like floor that feels straight out of a dream. Every pebble, every detail, frozen perfectly beneath a flawless epoxy finish. It's not just a floor, it's art you can walk on. Now be honest, would you live in a room like this, or is it too crazy? Drop a fire if you love it, or tell me what you see in this floor in the comments below. Look how clean and smooth this turns out. Would you install this in your home? Comment below and subscribe for more insane builds.